I'm a sea. I'm a sea. You going to sleepies? You were. You were going to sleepies, weren't you? You were going to sleepies. No. I thought I'd do a little video of a collection of things that are the simple things in life. One of my favourite things is a dog going to sleep, or the sound of a dog snoring. I just find it so relaxing. It's one of my favourite feelings. Mac's on watch because Juan, my partner's gone out to leap practice. Genie? No, he won't look around, he's just watching. He'll do this the whole entire time he's out. Living room's looking tidy because I've just dusted. That's one other thing, one of my favourite things. I do like cleaning, but I have to sort of be careful because it doesn't actually make me feel ill energy wise, but hey ho. We had a nice walk on the beach, didn't we, Mars? Eh? Yeah. And we're just having a little break, aren't we? Well, I'm going to start doing a new painting today of some horses from up the quarry. It's from a photograph that I've taken, so yep, I'll show you when it's done. Won't we, Maz? Yeah, Muzzy. She gorgeous. Yep.